So looking at the weather, how is the weather like? Oh, it's a bit cloudy. What may happen? Or it might gonna rain. Make sure make a note of that as well. Or it might gonna rain. So if it's gonna rain, Raja, do you know how to use the wipers? Maybe that person don't know. So you might have to quickly explain them about that. Yeah. And also if it's rain, Raja, what other safety precautions you're gonna take when you're driving? Or a 4 seconds gap. Well then, do you know how to take a 4-second gap? Yes, I do. If it's sunny, then you ask about how to use a sun visor. You ask this question as well. You see all these questions, but once you have done all that, you may want to say, okay, Raja, look, I know you are a beginner or if experience, depending on the level. If the experience, then you don't want to say, I'm going to do control, I will press it. No, you says, Raja, you're an experienced driver. I would expect you to drive well. However, if I do feel that I need to intervene, first I will intervene verbally. If I still feel that I need to intervene physically, then I may press the dual control or I will put the hand on the steering and then I will help you out. That's how you do that. With a beginner, you might just reassure them, look, I got dual control over there, just carry on driving, I will help you if you need it to. So it's kind of reassurance there. You could also ask about other risk factor, like if any emergency vehicle come, are you okay to take the responsibility to do this by yourself, or would you like me to help you that time? If they say you help me, make sure you ask what type of help you need. Prompting or full guidance, or you're taking the full responsibility. That should take 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. Does that make sense?
Yes.
You do that briefing. So let's say you have done the briefing, and today, because I'm not a intermediate, I'm complete beginner, so you kind of teaching me the roundabouts, and I kind of okay to do my mirrors and signal by myself because we have done so much practice. Speed, positioning, I'm okay as well. So mirror, signal, position, I'm okay because we are mainly doing the left turning and we are mainly going straight. We're not going to be doing right just yet. But also I need full guidance from you on speed and looking. Because that is a main core. People normally get messed up on the roundabouts because they don't look properly, or if they do look, they're looking only for
right
one
side
or anyone. So that is something you might need to be doing. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we agreed to, so I agreed to do full responsibility for mirror, signal and position.
I'm going to be checking your speed.
You're going to be fully teaching me on speed, or fully guiding me on the speed and on the look. Is that clear?
Yes.
Shall we do it? So I will take you to a location. So now imagine that I'm your learner. I need to drive off from here. So you are driving me to a location. So obviously I'm still a beginner. How would you going to interact with me?
Okay, Raja. So we're going towards the roundabouts, right?
Okay.
So what you can see ahead?
I can see a parkway lorry and I can see there's a car coming.
So what you need to do here? When you're going to be moving out, what you need to do?
Oh, you want me to move off from here?
Yeah. So what you need to do?
I need to check my mirrors
and
signal, blind spot.
And what else is going to happen?
I have to go to the lane B.
And so what you going to be checking there?
Oncoming cars.
Yes. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna be starting your car.
Yeah.
And you know pump position, pump routine?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Just coming after the role play. Try to make it more user friendly. Okay, Raja. So we're gonna be doing the roundabout first time. Are you nervous? Just like that. Just a little bit. Don't worry. I'm here. I'm help you out. Relax them. So Raja, now obviously we've been doing 3 lessons already. This is our 4th lesson. How confident are you to move off by yourself, or do you think you need my help? I'm okay to do by myself. And if there's any meeting and clearance situation developing, that is a proper way of saying it. Because you were saying a car coming, which is fine, but you could say any meeting and clearance come, are you okay to do it by yourself, or would you like me to help you? Prompt me please on a meeting and clearance. Okay, so what about moving off? I'm okay. What about left turning? If we're going to do left turning, I'm okay with that as well. So you don't need any help? No. Well done. So you need prompting on meeting and clearance and the roundabouts we
And
discuss
if he
with that.
says I need help in meeting situation, so how I can help him?
If he said he still need more help on the meeting and clearance, then would you go to the roundabout? No.
No.
Then you don't do that, because obviously if he would say that you need to fully guide him on meeting and clearance, then I would suggest then need to speak to him. Okay, Raja, if you need fully guided on meeting and clearance, how would you feel that if we practice more on meeting and clearance here first, become more comfortable, and then we go into roundabout? That is a better way of doing it. Because I don't need fully guidance, I have done it, I just need prompting from you, then that should be fine though. But if something you feel that person needs a lot of help because maybe he's struggling on not checking the mirrors or whatever it is, would you go to the main road? You wouldn't do that. It is highly risk involved. If your client is still going too slow on a straight road, like he's still doing 21 miles, and would you going to take him to the main road in that slow speed? No, you need to make sure they build confidence here to build up more speed, like we did in the last lesson. So this is what we do. So we do 2-3 lessons here, make sure that they get used to it with the speed, left turning, the right turning, because on the main roads there will be more cars around and all that. Okay, so shall we do it?
Yes.
So I'm going to drive over from here, and remember, whatever I do and say, I'm going to be a learner. I'm not going to be Raja the instructor. I'm going to be learner, and you are my instructor. So you are the one who are doing everything. Also, you have got your stuff over here. It's fine. I would not recommend you to have ladders, because your clients, they might do something very silly.
So can I have one book?
You can have it, but the problem is that what if, look, your hands with the pen there. What if you need
you need help? Yes.
So in this case, my advice to you is that when you are teaching somebody a beginner, you really need full control. Make sure your hands are ready, your feet are ready, because your client might do something silly. I'm going to be your client. I'm going to be driving first time on the road. So I'm going to be doing something silly. But remember one thing, I would never going to put your life, my life, other road users' life at risk ever. I might pretend something, and I might expect you to react for me. But if you do want to react, make sure you react in a way that I don't get whiplash either. So be prepared today. Start using your foot brake, dual control if you need it to later on today. Okay? Any problem? Any questions?
No.
All right. So I'm back in the role play now, and you want me to drive off? Yeah.
Yes, Raja.
Okay. Let's do this. So drive. So prepare. So I'm gonna be doing my observation, checking my mirrors. I'm gonna wait until the lorry goes. I'm gonna signal, and I'm doing my blind spot checks. Nobody's coming. I'm going downhill. I'm just gonna use my gentle brake to control as gravity is giving me the power. Checking my mirror again. I need to give, is it 1 meter space?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna check my center in the left mirror to go back in.
Okay, Raja. You need to see what's happening on the road.
Yeah. So coming after the role play now, what you could have said differently?
Like, Raja, are you aware of?
Yeah, or you could say, okay, Raja, so what are you anticipating? Any developing hazard? What do you think the lorry is doing? Ask open question. Oh, I can see the lorry is reversing. Okay, so tell me, what are you gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna check my mirrors and I'm gonna start slowing down and prepare to stop.
Okay.
This question technique is very, very good, because now as your clients are going to the next level, you ask this question. Okay. So I stop because of the lorry. Now I check my mirrors and I will go.